Santa's gonna call me. Alright everyone, we're gonna go live while you are getting ready. Good afternoon everyone. Well, my class is getting ready. Your class can get ready as well. I need you to find your notebook and your packet, please. Okay? Social studies notebook is preferred. Social studies notebook is preferred. Where's the camera? There it is. And your packet, please. Okay, your packet of worksheets. The next one looking like that. That's not necessarily an assignment. And for those of you who are ready, you may have read the agenda over here. The quizzes that were scheduled for today are going to be moved to Thursday. Okay? Moved to Thursday. I know that disappoints no one. So Thursday it will be. Alright? Class, do you have any questions about the quizzes? Alright. Also indicated over there, we do have, it's National Pizza Day. Anyone having pizza today to celebrate that? Yes, one. Anyone having pizza the next week or so, you hope? I'd like to have it every day, to be honest with you. So I thought, while people are getting ready, you'd like to see some of the largest pizza in the world, because it's National Pizza Day. Okay? This looks to me, this looks like an indoor track. Could fit around that pizza. Okay? With a giant pizza cutter. This one kind of says it all. This guy crouched down next to the largest pizza in the world. Okay. That is a great question. I do not know how they cooked it. Imagine section by section by section and then piece it together.
A giant piece of dough, and they just like raised the temperature by like 600 degrees in there.
That could be. That would have to be a very large surface for that to be baking the pizza. Anyway, happy National Pizza Day. Hope you enjoy the day. I will try. All right, before we move on, I'm going to quickly show you the top 10 for the last 4 Kahoots. U.S. regions. Here are the top 10 right there. Okay, so I will be coming around in the next few days and either visiting you personally or giving your teacher a couple of things to hand out to you. Anyone from my class, you see your initials or your name up here? Nice. All right, the next one. Okay, this one is needs versus wants. Anyone see their initials or their, I think this is all initials. Wow, we have some double hands here. What about famous African Americans? Anyone on this one as well? Wow, one person has had their hand up 3 times. Sweet. All right. And the final one, the 3 branches of government. This was kind of advanced learning. Wow, Neil Armstrong, your hand was up 4 times. 3. Okay, congratulations for being on here 3 times. All right, in your notebook, and you should turn to the next page, or some of you are doing your histogories on the very back. Okay, and that's fine. So please set it up this way. Histogory number 3. It's been, according to my notebook, since January 5th, since we've done a histogory. I figured with maps over, it's time to get back into some histogories. These notes will eventually be used, so hopefully you're taking good notes. Histogory number 3. Can everyone please do me a favor? See what I'm circling? Can you put an H in that H in there? Mrs. Hughes' class, or Mrs. Hughes, was given the responsibility of selecting the letter of the day. Okay, and she selected H. I wonder why. Okay, so number 1, world leader. Number 2, religious term. Number 3, historical artifact. Number 4, natural resource. And number 5, a place you'd like to go. It has to begin with an H. Okay. Before I forget, teachers, if any of you out there want to participate in this, you can get some answers from your students, and I will share them with the rest of the students who are watching this live. Okay. That is the same as that, by the way. Okay. World leader, religious term, historical artifact, natural resource, and place you'd like to go. You must label your answer, so I need you to write down these things. So I'm going to go back to that. By the way, what is a world leader? What does that mean? World leader. Okay, what does that mean, Neil Armstrong? Oh, I love that. Prime Minister. Okay, President, King. Okay, Queen. All right, so who can tell me, think back over a month ago, how do we do histogories?
I have a question.
Yes, Mr. Henry Ford.
This is just about like world leader. Can it be like one of a country? Like, does it have to be like city, country?
You got to name the person.
But does it have to be like a certain like the whole country?
Could be the whole. Could be any
World.
world leader out of the whole world. Over 200 nations. Okay. Yes, Neil Armstrong.
Do they have to be a current world leader or could it be a past?
Oh, that's a great question. Current leader. Preferred. But if you can't find one, I guess we'll go with someone who was a leader in the past. Okay. So everyone, you'll get about 5 minutes to do some internet searches and just find one answer per each category and then plan on sharing. Any questions before we begin? All right, so we get about 5 minutes for this. On your mark, get set, and go. Please use capital letters for some of these. Just a quick reminder to everyone, the letters H, in case you didn't hear that before. H, as in hamburger. Less than 3 minutes left. Less than 3 minutes. We're going to cut this short, everyone, by 1 minute, so you've got about 1 minute left. 1 minute.
I guess I was taking this.
1 minute. All right, time is up.
Oh, I got one.
Before I share my classes, here's what Mrs. Hughes sent me. Ready, everyone? See if you may want to check to see if you have these answers. Ready? Number one, we have Adolf Hitler. He was the leader of Germany back in the 1930s and 40s. Okay. Number two, religious term, Hebrew, Hinduism. Number three, historical artifact, helmet, like from the past, hatchet, hammerstone. Number four, ooh, I didn't think of this one. Wonder if you did. H2O, which is water, which is a natural resource. And the capital of Hawaii, what is it, everyone? Honolulu, Hawaii. Okay, wouldn't mind being there, like, right now. Okay, let's go with Abe Lincoln. Can you tell me your world leader? Henry VIII. King of England. Okay, let's go with number two. Let's go with Susan B. Anthony. What do you have for religious term? Couldn't find any. Who'd like to fill in for Susan B. Anthony? Let's go with Haley. What is it? Holy Spirit. Okay, I've heard that before. I've heard that in my church. Who else would like to fill in? Who'd like to give another religious term? Neil Armstrong. Say it one more time. Okay, Habib. Okay. Did I hear you correctly? Yeah. Okay. Number three, we're going to go with Oprah Winfrey on your historical artifact. The what? Okay. Do you have helmet, you said? Horn helmet. Okay. And we're natural resource. We're going to go with, let's go with Amelia Earhart on this one. Did you get a natural resource? You did not. Who'd like to give us a natural resource? That's okay. I kind of called you on the spot. Pele. Helium. Ooh, that's a good one. Okay. And a place you'd like to go. Well, let's go with, new to our class, Steve Jobs. What do you got? Holland. Been there. It's an awesome country. All right. So, if you need more time with this, everyone, you just heard some awesome answers. Get those answers down. Finish on your own. For now, if you're done, you may close your histogory page. All right. I'm going to sign off in about a minute. Hopefully not much longer than that. Teachers, when I sign off, here's the video you're going to show. It is about the Columbia Exchange. Probably a good review prior to that quiz on Thursday. And then after that, there's nothing in Google Classroom for everyone out there, but I did have to show you right here. When the video is done, students will select any assignment in your packet for completion. So for example, if I'm sitting in Mrs. Walter's class right now, and I decide to do this one, Articles of Confederation, the questions are on the back. Okay? If I'm sitting in Mrs. Hughes right now, and I decide to do this last page, anything that reads Call to Freedom on the bottom, where do you get that information from? Call to Freedom. Where do you think? You get it from your social studies book. Okay, and that would be chapter 10. All right, so I'm giving you time to work in advance on anything that's left over in your packet. Just pick one. possibly 2 assignments, but 1 is probably enough. So teachers out there, could you please make sure that students are following directions as soon as the video is over, picking one thing out of their packet to complete that has not been touched yet. My class, any questions? Alright, so, no questions about work time after the video? Yes, Kayla? If you look on the top, it'll tell you the chapter. It just tells you the chapter. Like this one says Daily Quiz 6.4. That's chapter 6, section 4. Kind of like the way your science book is organized. Okay. Teachers, if you have any questions about the assignments that students can work on during work time, the assignments in advance, please let me know. Otherwise, we will see you Thursday. Oh, and don't forget, you have you have Wednesday. You have Wednesday work to do tomorrow. Okay. You guys did I ever tell you the story why I always say Wisconsin Wednesday? Because at my other school, we'd always do a bunch of Wisconsin learning on Wednesdays. It was called Wisconsin Wednesday. We'd take all the subjects and put them together, and if it was related to Wisconsin, we learned it. Well, that comes out a lot, doesn't it, Mrs. Deschamps? Ay, ay, ay. Otherwise, we'll see everyone Thursday. Talk to you later. All right, here we go, everyone. Logan, we'll see you Thursday, buddy.
Oh, you do have one. I know, like, which one?
I'm going to get rid of that.